does it? Oh, Rosie! It wasn't me, Raggles. I thought it was you. It wasn't me! If you didn't do that big, huge sneeze, then who did? I don't know, but they better not do it again.
No, no. There's another one on its way. Oh.
Are you okay, Oakley? Bleary eyes, sniffy nose. You, my dear Oakley, have a cold. Ah!
Oh, dear. Sorry to hear that, Oakley.
No, I'm fine. I've just got a little tickle in my nose, that's all.
A little tickle? It was the biggest sneeze ever sneezed. It went, achoo! Again!
I don't think Oakley really wants to, little bear.
Again! That is no way to talk to a poor, sneezy old oak tree.
Oh, little bear, come back.
Again!
Oh, little bear.
Yes, I know a cold when I see one.
Sorry.
Bigger and better. Oh no, keep away! That's better. No more sneezy Oakley. Oakley sneezing? Why? It's not safe out there. It's not safe in here. Not if you're a tower of bricks. I'll soon see to that. Acorns, stop being silly. There. Huh. You see? Easy when you know how. Huh? Oh, thanks, Bluebird.
Well, you're a bit cleaner, sort of.
Yes, but isn't he still a teensy-weensy bit? Smelly!
It's the bathtub for you, young bear.
No! You could have a squirt of my homemade perfume instead.
Nice.
I made it. I'm wearing it myself. Yuck! Don't come any closer. He possesses gale force sneezes. Oh!
She's right. You've never heard sneezes like these.
Again! How bad can one little sneeze be? I think you're about to find out. Whoa!
Sorry. Again.
That was quite big for one little sneeze. I think Oakley needs our help. Come on. I will. Your kite's on the ground.
I know that, Raggles. No wind.
Maybe we can help.
How? You can't make the wind blow.
No, but there's someone who can.
Wow!
Mine! I know it's not easy, but you must control your sneezes, Oakley.
I'm trying, Bluebird, but they just happen when I'm least expect.
Uh-oh! Look out, everyone!
I'm on, everyone.
Hey! Thanks, Oakley!
Oh, poor Oakley. Poor us, you mean?
Here you go then, little bear. Hold on tight.
Oh, sorry, Holly.
Holly, are you all right? I think so. We'd better check everyone else is safe. Raggles, and there's Will, and Big Bear, and... Where's Little Bear?
He was here a moment ago. Hold on tight.
Little Bear! Oakley's sneeze has blown him away. Will, get the ghost speeder. Raggles, the twooter. Follow that kite. I can't see him. Oh, which way? We've lost him. There he is.
He's landing. Hang on, little bear.
Oh, we'll never find him. Shh. Listen. Safi, you've got him.
Phew. Thank you, Safi. Pooh. Let's be getting you down, little bear.
Oh, he knows he can drop by any time.
Safi, can you help us? Oakley can't stop sneezing.
Well, one person's ice cream can be another spinach.
You mean it might be something that we like, but Oakley doesn't? Come on. I think we found what's making you sneeze, Oakley. Oh, quick, before he does it again. What is it? You! What? Every time Oakley sneezed, you were flying around near him. I think it's your feathers. My feathers? My beautiful feathers. They are beautiful, but Safi said what's nice to some people can be... horrid? No, not nice to others. Nonsense! Everyone loves my feathers. They even smell wonderful. Now Holly sprayed them with her perfume. Perfume? Yes. Smell for yourself. Take cover, everyone! Fly! Fly for your lives!
Okay, Oakley. Let it rip.
I'm so sorry, Oakley. I never meant to tickle your nose with my perfume.
It's not your fault, Holly. I've had a sensitive nose ever since I was a sapling. In fact... Oh, I can smell something right now.
Oh, I think it's time we had that bath, don't you?
No!
You can have bubbles and a duck.
Duck! It might be an idea if you had a bath too. You don't want your perfume making Oakley sneeze again. Good idea, Rosie. Come on, Bluebird. You can have a bath at my house. Oh, okay. But I want the tap end. Easy peasy. Don't know what all the fuss was about. No! Very funny. Shoo!